Hey, if you're a business owner and just started out a company in Singapore and do not know what are the do's and don'ts after starting out, stay tuned and finish this video as we're about to review the 4 common mistakes you might make. Mistake number 1, using personal bank account. Some business owners use their personal bank account for business income and business expenses. You probably encounter this when you go to the night market and want to buy some stuff. So when you want to scan the QR code, you probably see some random people's name rather than a business name. And it might concern you whether are you paying to the right person or towards a business. And because of that, having your personal and business account separated is super important. Opening a dedicated business account would actually also help to simplify bookkeeping, streamline tax filing, and also help to improve credibility with investors and clients. Mistake number 2, lack of budget planning. Just like your personal finance, you need to have a plan so you can retire earlier than your peers. It matters even more if you have your business company started out. Now, you need to have a proper budget planning so you can actually allocate your business resources more efficiently. So start by identifying what are your variable and fixed costs, setting aside your emergency fund, and also start tracking your expenses regularly. Mistake number 3, doing everything by yourself. As a business owner, you are tempted to do everything and become the jack of all trades, trying to juggle different tasks and do it all by yourself. But it actually strips you away from helping your business to grow properly. Delegation is superpower. Try to identify tasks that can be allocated to others, whether it's freelancers, outsourcing, or even in-house employees. And with that, you can actually focus on your strengths and leverage on others' expertise. So you can actually focus more on your time where you have more time to spend for yourself. Mistake number 4, neglecting your target audience. As your business has started out and you're not getting any sales, try look inwards on your business technique or strategy. Understand your target audience problem, issues, or maybe pain points that they are facing. With that, you can conduct a survey, collect all the results, and conduct a data analysis. And that's where you can create a buyer persona. By doing that, you can actually tailor your business product and services which address to your target audience pain points. As a conclusion, we understand that running a business is never easy, and that's why we're here to guide you along your journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow us, like this video, and subscribe for more videos to come. Have a great day ahead.